Somalilanders, happy Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. وعيد استقلال مجيد. My name is Dalia Al-Aqidi. I'm here to celebrate with you May 18th. Let me tell you that I'm running for Congress against Ilhan Omar. You know her. And let me tell you why. I am an American. I was born in Baghdad. I came to America just like you to fight for freedom, to be part of this community. But guess what Ilhan Omar is doing? She is a disgrace to all women like us. She's a disgrace to all Muslims like us. She's a disgrace to all immigrants like us. We're here to build our future and to help our kids. But I understand the struggle for Somaliland. For 33 years, I understand it very well. And I'll tell you why. From my mother's side, I'm from Kurdistan. And the Kurdish people fought for years and years for their independence. Until now, they have Kurdistan in Iraq because they have the right to govern themselves. They have the right to decide for themselves. That's why I support you. You are my sisters and my brothers that fought so hard against dictatorship and tyranny and against terrorism. Let me tell you one thing. I'll be brief because I know you're celebrating and I love your music. And I'm not sure how many of you understands Arabic. Other than this, كنت أتمنى فعلا أن أتحدث معكم باللغة العربية ونتناقش باللغة العربية. دعوني أقول لكم شيئا. The left and Democrats that are supporting Ilhan, shukran ilik habibti. Let me tell you one thing. I am an immigrant just like you. I am a Muslim just like you, but I am an American just like you. What they do, the Democrats and the far left, they want to use you. They tell you that the Republican Party is against you. It's against Muslims. It's against immigrants. You know why? This is not the truth because I am running as the endorsed candidate to run in CD5 against Ilhan Omar. But Ilhan Omar used you, used every Muslim in the United States. She spread hatred and division between all of us. She made us Muslims and immigrants look like terrorists. She made us look like users. We are not beggars. We have integrity. We want to live our life with integrity. We don't want people to give us anything because we earn everything. I'm here to be with you, to be part of you. I want your support because we are the right immigrants. You can help send the right Muslim to Congress because I'll fight for all of you. What did Ilhan Omar do to you? What did Ilhan Omar do for you? Nothing. She used you. She has millions of millions. A good Muslim woman doesn't cheat on her husband. She cheated on her husband. She cheats on all of you. This is not right. This is not what we believe in. She's a thief. She has millions, but she never, ever helped her community. I'm not here just to represent Muslims. I'm here to represent everybody because I truly believe in the American dream. And I truly believe that we can do everything. If you help me, and I need your help, send me to Congress and I'll help all of you. I'll help all Muslims, all Christians, all Jews. Just the Sheikh said. Tahabbu fima bainakum. Ilhan Omar doesn't want you to. That's why she's there. Thank you very much. Happy May 18th. I hope I'll see you again. Shukran lakum jami'an. May God bless you all. Thank you.